Well, Steve, I don't think you can ask for better flying weather. Pretty nice out there. Yeah.
Oh, it's nice you can empathize with little birdies on the roofs out there.
We try.
Yeah, it's going to be great weather today for flying, and we're going to be looking at a cooler weekend ahead. So those of you who remember 103 last weekend, take heart. Something different for you this weekend. We've had some heavy rains out in eastern Colorado, actually more into Kansas. Goodland, Kansas, just over the border, picked up about an inch of rain in a short period of time overnight. They've had some street flooding there. Heavy rains in Dodge City, Kansas as well. And here in Colorado, at least here in Denver, pretty clear right now. Let's take a look at what we have outside. Mile High camera showing a few clouds building over the mountains, and some of those could drift off the mountains again today and give us some showers over the area. 80 degrees our temperature now. The low this morning, 57. The relative humidity, 39%. It's much higher, though, way out onto the eastern plains. Wind is south at 7. The barometer is falling at 30.30. And the air quality index number 31, of course, good air there this morning. Here's what the ET rate is showing. If you've found that it's your day to water, if you're a square waterer, this is the pattern. A little drier over much of the metro area, but some areas don't need quite as much moisture, about a half an inch just to the east of Denver, and similar pattern up to the northwest. Here's the Weather Watcher map this morning, and pretty comfortable readings for the most part. Clouds building out here, but 60s and 70s to the west. Golden at 74 degrees. Some 80s out here in the eastern part of the state. Even Aurora, Malbadell reporting 82 degrees. 80 from Terry Erlenborn in Strasburg, and 80 from Dennis Riesel in Fort Lupton this morning. Now, satellite loop will put this in motion from yesterday morning. This was the pattern. Watch a day's worth of weather here, 24 hours. Clouds now, as we saw them in Kansas, getting into the central part of the state, and that's why they've had all that heavy rain in Goodland. But back on the west side of this, it did clear out a bit, and we're going to wait for the pattern to start all over here again in the early afternoon hours of eastern Colorado. Here's the way it looks. Again, mainly clear skies here. We'll go on out. Not only Kansas getting the heavy rain, but also back into Pennsylvania overnight, some very heavy rain, some street flooding there as well. And of course, Texas, Mississippi. Some areas of Mississippi have more than 25 inches more rain than on average for this time of the year. And they're getting some rain down there this morning. Very, very uncomfortable, muggy conditions over the southeast. In North Carolina, where there's some rain now, heat index values between 105 and 115. That's the way it's going to feel. Jet stream pattern way up to the north again, fairly typical for this time of the year. And that's a ridge of high pressure that's built over Colorado. We could get showers and thunderstorms along this frontal system just out to the east of Colorado tomorrow. More rain down through Texas and the southeast. Uncomfortable here again tomorrow, even though a lot of temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s, but cool 60s over the Great Lakes area in New England out to the west, mainly 90s and some 100s. Scattered showers really on this map everywhere, west, the mountains, and also here in the east. Just very widely scattered activity in the west, 80 to 94, mountain 66 to 84. And for folks in eastern Colorado, 76 to 90, a very good chance of showers out around the eastern border today, and even a chance here along the Front Range. Now, Denver's forecast. Mostly sunny today. We could see some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Our high about 87 today, and then tonight, decreasing clouds after maybe a few showers, the low about 60. And then Friday, 87. Here's the weekend I'm talking about, 72 on Saturday. That about 18 degrees below normal. 78 on Sunday and Monday, about 80 degrees. So just a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, of course, each and every afternoon. It wouldn't be summertime without that possibility each day.
All right. Thanks, Steve. Coming up, low-tar cigarettes. Many believe they may take the sting out of smoking.
Or do they? Dr. Dave reports on a chilling new study. That's next. Stay with us.